Hi, I'm Alex from RV. Let's take a look at the 2024 Springdale 1760BH. Here on your door side of the Springdale, you have your 10-foot powered awning and an inverter outlet, perfect for charging your phone or making coffee in the morning. And here at the rear of the unit, you have backup camera prepped to help you get in and out of tight spots easier. Now let's take a look at the inside. Here at the front, you have your queen bed with surrounding additional storage above, to the side, and even to the bottom. And in this 17-footer, you also have a dinette slide that can convert into a bed, and bunks for sleeping and or additional storage. Stepping over to the kitchen, you have your 2-burner stovetop, your nice stainless steel fridge, and even a microwave. Everything you need for cooking meals while you camp. And in the back, you have your bathroom with your toilet, your shower, and even on-demand hot water. And lastly, you can't forget about your AC unit for those hot summer days. Thanks for watching. For more information, check out JLRV.com.